Yeah, who the hell's pulling the trailer with their Corvette?
So recently I've been having a problem. My problem has been that I want to ride my four-wheeler, but also I want to drive my Z06 as well. So I thought for a second, what could I do to figure this out? So I came up with a brilliant, bright idea that I need to install a hitch on my Z06. So I can tow around my quad, so I can go riding and drive my car all in the same day. So I started to look online to see if I could find a hitch for the Z06 if someone makes it or if I have to make one myself. So I then figured out that they actually make a hitch for Corvettes that just bolts right on. So then I went on Facebook Marketplace, actually found a used one and bought it for $100 shipped to my door. And now we're here with the hitch that's about to go on the Z06. Now, officially starting today, I am about to be able to not only drive my car, but also be able to ride my bike all in the same day. So it's pretty exciting around here. So first things first, let's throw this bad boy on. It actually shouldn't be too hard. It should be pretty easy, hopefully. You know, just installing a trailer package on the Z Chevy. The most work I've ever done to this thing. Really haven't had to do nothing to this bad boy.
Nah, steering wheel, man.
Steering wheel, yeah, you're right. Got the fully built hitch.
Fully built hitch on my Z06. This is a full bolt on, dude.
Full bolt on.
Full bolt on
When
Z06.
people ask me what my mods are, I'm like, yeah, you know, I got a stage 2 Kurt hitch.
It's been about 2 hours and I'm threading on the last bolt. We still gotta tighten it. But when I tell you this thing was a bitch, that's like an understatement. But, you know, we made it happen. I don't understand why they make it so hard. I mean, how does everyone else put their hitches on their Z06?
I think it looks mint. Like, I think it should come from the factory like this. Yeah, my Z06 got full bolt-ons. I'm running a 1 7/8 ball and filthy hands. This is why I always tell myself I don't need to wear gloves. And then, oh my god.
Bro!
No!
Yo!
No!
Are you serious?
Boys, it is the next day, and I've got the right freaking ball size. So we had a little bit of a setback. We were supposed to ride yesterday, but no worries, we're riding today. Moment of truth. Ooh, that was nice right there. You gotta slip her in. No. Oh my god, it's in. It's roll the clip.
Oh my god, it's in.
Alright, everybody, come on, let's go. McLovin! Best idea ever.
I want like a nice trailer. I want it to be like something like unique. Like what if I had matching Corvette rims on the trailer?
On the trailer?
And then have like nice stained wood or something?
No.
That would be fresh. Nothing to see here. The best sound on earth. This might be the most entertaining thing I've ever seen. If you guys don't like and subscribe, then you guys, there's something wrong with you, because this is like good content right here. What do you guys think about these jackets? You think I should sell them like this? I think they're pretty fresh. So you guys are gonna say that this Corvette can't tow this. It's not meant for it, but come on, man. It's like it's not even back there. This is more horsepower than your trucks that are full of stuff. So imagine you get gapped by me with this setup. That'd be like an L right
You would
there.
have to end your life. Did it?
With
made it. My boy Jenso.
What up?
That boy!
He's nasty with
That
it. He's nasty with it.
man! He's smooth.
How's it going?
Having a good time?
Yeah,
Well, somebody's trying to not make you have a good time. Hey, for the rest of today, can we just leave it be and come back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Who the hell's pulling the trailer with their Corvette?
That's me.
Oh.
Down a truck.
So we made it out to the spot and we didn't even get to really ride. We rode for maybe 20 minutes. I was about to break out the camera, start filming, and the cops show up. So, on to the next spot. We made it. Yo! What up?
Okay.
Yeah. Coming in hot. Alright boys, so we finally made it to the spot. Got the bikes out here. Hopefully we don't have no problems with the cops. Got the trailer, all the bikes out here, so should be fun. Dude, nice to see you, bro. As you guys can see, things are getting crazy around here. I was going in on this thing. I was doing some things that I haven't done before, but when you're the worst one of the group, I guess you kind of get pushed to do things that you probably shouldn't do. Oh, I ain't ready for this one. You ready? I'm gonna pop it up and I'm gonna grab you. So I'm gonna pull it up and then I'm gonna grab you with one hand. That's the plan. So wish me luck. So pretty much, I don't know if you guys saw, but this is what I'm doing. You're in my crotch right now, and then I'm gonna pull it up, wheelie, and then I'm gonna grab you one-handed, and then I'm gonna be just holding onto the bike one-handed, and I'm gonna continue to vlog, but I'm only gonna have one hand on the bike.
Risking it for the biscuit, man.
Subscribe though. Yeah, risk it for the biscuit, baby.
Risk it for the biscuit.
Wish me luck. I wish I had like a little holder right here, and I could grab off my bars, but I don't. I gotta put you right here. Here we go. This might turn out bad, but we're gonna go for it.